And hello folks, this is your old pal Uncle. That usually gets a lot of people's attention, but like I said, we're going to have a little fun today. So take off the props and the hat. Okay, a lot of people are asking me how to do something simple. Well, I do a lot of arts and crafts and I know a little bit of everything and I have fun. Okay? Basically, you go to a craft shop or a box shop or a uh, Home Depot or a Office Depot. Yeah, Office Depot is better. Office Max, whatever. Office supply store. And you can get a simple cardboard box, $1, and you can make your own M.R.E. You just tape it up, put plastic over it. It's fine. Not rocket science. And there you go. Let's see, open it up. Voila. Easy, not rocket science, folks. I keep saying that because I hear people, duh, I can't afford M.R.Es, or duh, I can't afford this, or duh, and stuff. Now, I like Twisties. If you ever see this product, it's really good. It doesn't take that long to make, and you just add boiling hot water to it and wait about 5 minutes. Simple, one hot meal. Then the standby, Maggi Supa. Can't go wrong with that. You can pick these up anywhere. I make my own, but this one I want to show you. This is a military grade mountain house. All it is granola with some dried blueberries and powdered milk. That's it. I swear to God, if I see another one of these and people say, this is like really neat, Uncle Al. No, you can make it at home. Get a food saver. Now, a lot of people, if I'm on the go and stuff, I'll eat tuna. All right? Tuna pouch or chicken pouch. Easy, fast, shove it in my mouth, suck on it, whatever. Get the protein in there, keep going. Okay, and then my favorite, one of these. Now, a lot of people say, well, Uncle, we can't do stuff like that. No, you just gotta be a lot smarter. And if I go see the seal again, I seal these things tight. One sec. Okay. Okay, basic accessory pack. All right, scrounges off M.R.E. Easy, and they sell these separate, so you can pick this up. My homemade accessory pack, I have 2 bouillon cubes, some hard candy, some matches, aluminum foil, gotta have the heavy gauge aluminum foil, and some powdered drinks. Okay, and some tea. I always drink tea. And then last for least, I have a small box of raisins, and I have 2 energy bars, 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. So this power me through. Don't need to make a fire, just chuck it in, eat it, and go. Now, there's other tricks I do, but this only cost $1. All right, $1. And all it is, that's it. I have a little, not rocket science, fairly easy. You can do it. All right, you tuck it away, you tape it up, you stick it someplace at your work, at school, at your mom's house, any place you want to be there, and you know you have about a day's supply of food there. This will keep you going for about 1 day. You know, I have a lunch, a breakfast, dinner, you know, not rocket science, folks. I know it's a little skimpy, but that'll keep me going. And a lot of you guys, you know, you freak out, pay $15 or $13 for M.R.E. No, I just make my own. Thanks, folks. Catch you later.